is this coming out? Why are you coming out? Oh my gosh. Why are you coming out? Who you know got hit like this? Who you know? I wait. Tell me. Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mihlali, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieve this little hairdo. And for those that are wondering, no, this is not a wig, this is crochet hair. So yeah, I've done a crochet hair video in my channel, so if this is not detailed enough, you can just go back and check that out. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I crochet this hair in and make it look natural in the front so that we can, you know, rock our hair with no, you know, with no bandanas and steeds, you see. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing this, I will be showing you guys my braid pattern, my plait pattern, not braid pattern or whatever, and how I install the hair. And then at the end I will show you guys how I get this front line looking as natural as possible so that we can wear our crochet hair out in the air. Okay, no, I'm acting stupid again, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so here I'm just plaiting my hair. I'll show you guys how I plait my hair. This is, in my head, the easiest way to plait or cornrow. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I plait the base of my hair to crochet the hair later. But yeah. Okay, so we're in my bathroom and I got my plaits done, and now I'm just going to, you know, crochet the hair into my hair. The hair that I'll be crocheting today is this Darling Passion Twist fiber. It's curly, so this time I don't have to be, you know, curling my straight Kanaka line hair. I got me, you know, pretty cool hair. So yeah, I'll be using this fiber, and I'll also be using a crochet hook. So I got a crochet hook with the fiber, but yeah, so I'm gonna be using, literally that is all that I need for this video, these two things and this just. So I think you guys already know from my past video how to crochet hair in now, so do I really have to say how? Okay, so I don't want this hair to be hella bulky. Ooh, also something exciting, the reason why I'm doing another crochet video so soon is because I found a life tip. Let me put this aside. I found me a life tip that will help me and my girls you guys, like, from being, you know, in shambles from the front line and crocheting your hair in. So there's like an actual technique to like make it look natural. I'll insert it at the end, obviously, when I have the hair in. So yeah, so I got my curly hair. This is the texture, so I'm obviously gonna take one. I'm not gonna crochet this whole thing into my hair, so I'm gonna like separate the bundle of curl or whatever you call this into little sections and like just insert it and crochet it throughout my braids. So you guys can just watch me do that, and I will probably fast forward this part. But yeah, so I separate it. Use this much. Oh, okay, so wait, this is the braid pattern that I used. So like I literally have 8 plaits. I made more plaits this time because I don't know if I mentioned, yeah, I probably mentioned in my previous video that my plaits are too big, it's probably gonna look bulky. But that was a hairstyle for like a week. Like I really meant to wear that hairstyle for like 2 days, but with my lazy self I took a week to take it off. So yeah, this time I'm trying to keep this hair on for like an actual week. So hopefully, with me making my plaits smaller and like neater, yeah, it's gonna preserve the whole hairstyle. Anyways, let's jump into it. This is the braid type. I did like an owl version shandies so that my bottom hair like I actually have a bottom layer, 2 bottom base, 2 crochet hair in, so when I want to lift my hair up, it's not that bad. So anyways, yeah, I got this shandies happening, and then I didn't want to have a middle part going straight down. I actually just wanted a middle part, so that's why I crisscrossed. If you didn't crisscross, girl, you're gonna have a literal middle part going all the way down. Like your hair's gonna be falling this way and this way, and you're gonna have like a visible line. So stay clear from that. To start off, I am going to insert my crochet in between my plait and my scalp, of course, and then grab a hold of the hair and pull it out the other side like you see. And then I'm going to take one strand and I'm going to pull it into the hoop, and then I'm going to pull that strand the other side again to double hoop it, because like I said, I want to keep this hairstyle for more than a week this time, or more so 4 week, whatever, but I want to keep it longer, so I want it to be more secure, hence why I double knot it, and I do the invisible knot like you see, hence why I only take one strand, not both strands, through the hoop. I do this method around the perimeter of my hair so that when I tie the hair up or style it a certain way, the knots aren't as visible, hence why I'm using the invisible knot method around the perimeter of my hair. But yeah, I just do that right through, and then like towards the middle section of my hair, when knotting it, I just like pull both strands into the hoop, but I still double knot it because I'm trying to have the hair lost. Okay, so I'm finally done. I am in a rush. I'm like almost late for my appointment. But anyways, I obviously like cut the hair to be the same length. And also don't pull, oh my word, important rule, don't pull your curls like this and then cut, because your curls like coil back up, so you'd pull it and think it's that long and cut it, but it's actually short when it actually coils back up. So yeah, don't like pull. And then for the top, okay, let's try this one last time. My video literally just cut and I was speaking and I literally finished demonstrating the side and it wasn't actually taking, but that's not a train smash. What I was trying to say, what I was saying in fact, is that I take like you see, it looks a bit frizzed. If you put it up, I mean you can still see my tracks, but like when I let my hair down, I'll show you how it looks. But like this is the effect that I'm trying to go for. So it doesn't look, it has like a baby messy hair vibe going on. So yeah, to get this look, I take like a section from the front line. I take like little pieces from the front line, like this right here, and then I cut it to size firstly. So I do not want a blunt cut, hence why I'm like running my scissor like through the shaft of the hair, and then when I got this desired length, I go in with my comb. Apparently there's an actual comb that you use to back comb your hair, and I do this effect, but child, where am I gonna get that comb? Like, where do you get the comb? So I'm just gonna use this. I tried it out with a wide toothed comb in the beginning, but I ended up using this small toothed, more low spaces, whatever you call it, because it like back combs my hair better. And then what I do is literally just grab the strand, don't hold it tightly because you want the hair to be able to like brush backwards, and then just like brush backwards. To make the brushing backwards part a bit easier, or like just like run your fingers through this so that you get like shorter hair, so that the short hair actually like coils up and goes to the top, and then you just back comb. Literally that is it. Back comb that hair, honey, until you got a desired look, and I'll be back to show you the end result. Okay, so that is it. This is the end result. And what I was talking about, like what tracks, what plaids, this is my scalp, hun. I'm playing, I'm honestly playing, but yeah, this is it. There's like frizz here in front only because of the backtracking that I was doing, but nothing regular or mousse won't help. But I mean, it's hella late at the minute. Why would I be putting mousse on my hair? So when I style it tomorrow or whenever, I will obviously just go over with the mousse so that the hair isn't as frizzed. But yeah, this is literally it, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Like, not excited. Actually, I'm excited to wear the hair out, but I'm also happy on how it came out, because like my first crochet hairdo, it wasn't the best, but it was okay nonetheless, because there was just a whole lot of glitches on the hairstyles that made me not be able to wear the hairstyle the way I'd want to wear it. I would have to like compensate and like cover it up, wear beanies and like headbands and mandas and all that shinies. But with this hair, honey, I feel like I could just wear it like this. Yeah, I feel like I don't really need to cover much, but yeah, that is totally it. It's been a bloody long day, because wow, trying to make a video, trying to do your hair, trying to get to appointments, it's a whole lot. But tomorrow's my birthday. Yeah, I'm happy, I'm alright, whatever. Today's gone, tomorrow's a new day, so we're gonna keep moving. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching to this video. I'm going to insert some clips or some like ways to style the hair and show you guys how I would style the hair, if you guys are anyways interested in that. So this is the first look. I mean, you could just wear it down, have your like middle part, maybe like tuck it at the back of your ear or whatever. You could tuck it at the back of your ear because your front line ain't gonna embarrass you. It ain't gonna embarrass you, hun. So yeah, this is the first look. Or like have a little after moment. Okay, so that would be it. And this is the hair, just by the way, throwing this out there. This is the hair, like, when did I do this hair? On Tuesday, today is Sunday. So this is 5 days later, and this is how the hair looks. Hasn't been a week exactly, but this is more so like a week's in to the hairstyle. So I think you could still keep this for like another week, you know. I mean, the curls aren't bad, and like the hair ain't bad either. And like the more outdated it looks, the more natural it looks. Even with the plaits, that's what I've realized. Like, you know, when I first did my plaits, when I first did my plaits, but like, you know, when you freshly do your plaits and like the lines are like super tight and you could actually see the lines. I'm sure you guys could see my lines. I mean, especially like even the front line, if I could like push this back, you could see my tracks. So like having your plaits freshly done also like takes away from the natural look, because if your plaits are a bit messy and the lines aren't visible, then like you can't really see that, okay, there's like lines happening. What's happening in this person's hair? It looks more natural and it looks like the hair is growing out of your scalp. Because if you can't see my scalp, you only see my curly hair or my kinky hair underneath, and then you see this. Child, show me my hair. Show me where my hair and the other hair attaches, and if you can't, move away. Like, but yeah, that is what I could say about this hair. But I mean, fresh plaits, old plaits, it all works out at the end, because I mean, look, I made this work. And yeah, that would be it from me. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.